Game. Tingnan nyo, wala na naman akong class. So naglalag nga ako guys. Tingnan nyo, kumbaga may problema talaga. Kailangan ko pa pindutin. O bagong update tong ganito. Kailangan ko pa siya pindutin. Kumbaga nakaset na to in game eh. Okay, low play ulit. Paglalaban natin. BP guys, for the BP. We need to get the BP loadout guys to win this game. BP loadout. Okay, game. Let's go! Ay, tarantado kayo ha. Paano niya yun? Wait lang, paano niya ginawa yun? Paano siya tumalon? Paano siya tumalon doon? Tumalon siya sa hagdan?
Flashback.
Paano niya yun?
End of flashback.
Grabe naman yun niya. Lupit mo naman dun niya. Okay, game guys. Kukunin lang natin ang BP. Sure win na. Okay, game. District na tayo ah. Ilang talo na yun. Puro squad na naman.
Release the smoke perspective.
Kuya, kuya. Ito na! First time ko to. First time ko magbukas dito na may dalang shotgun tas walang long barrel lagol. Alam niyo guys, dito sa laro ito, napaka-easy. Kumbaga, lalagyan mo lang siya ng 10% galing sa 100% ng lakas ko. Hindi ko talaga tinutudo kasi alam kong may mabibira talaga. Ulit kaya, masakit-sakit to ya. Kumbaga, hawak ko na yung BP ko eh. Kuya, baga, ginusto nyo to eh. Give me Snowy one time. One time, Snowy. Naku po guys. Happy birthday, baby.
Get out of this smoke.
Bakit naglalaro si Daniel Padilla dito? Grabe ka naman. Porkit naghiwalay lang kami ni Catherine, wala na akong karapatan maglaro. O ganyan. Tara. Game. Let's win this shit, baby boy. Okay guys, let's use this arsenal as a bait. Let's bait the enemies. Okay guys, we need vehicle so we can move faster. Like that. We don't need that vehicle. We only need this. For the drip, baby. This is Fast and Furious. Watch this. Fast and the Furious. Laki ng kinain ko doon. Discard this shit with a U-turn, baby.
Nope.
Sayang. Last drip. Pangit! Hoy!
The revival.
Piece of shit. Really? In front of my noodles? Ay! You want me? Stupid bagot! Ah! What? Oh, that's a setup, bro!
Are eliminated.
They're running away, pero guys.
Get out of this smoke. Airdrop incoming.
Chase me, boy.
Will arrive.
Sabot, guys. Oy! Oy, yeah. Calmness. Calmness your blood sugar. Calmness your blood sugar. Calmness your blood sugar, bro. Uy, K9. Who the hell is that K9? The bro makes that.
Tá firmado, pode 10, rola muita putaria. Tá firmado, pode 10, rola muita putaria.
Hey! No, bro, no. We don't do that over here, bro. We don't tolerate that shit over here. Thank you for this.
Oh shit, what is that?
Thank you for this. Thank you for this. Okay, guys. We have a good loadout right now. We have a very good loadout. Ooh, very gold.
The revived flight will arrive.
Tarantado ka, sumasayaw ka pa. You dancing on my face. Really? Really, ah? Thank you for the galaxy, bro. Takbo ya. Nice one, nice. Very good, very nice. Wait. Kasi naiwan mo ko kanina with a holy dance. Okay, you dancing in front of my noodles. Okay guys, go to 30 kills. I think we can do 30 kills over here. You're dead.
The last 5 teams.
Okay, 6 more kills guys to get the 30 kills, okay? 6 more kills, baby. Nice. Okay, 4 more enemies. And we're gonna taste the victory for almost 3 hours. Wala na atang palo na natira. I think there is no very good enemies left, guys. I think this is a new players only. Big boy. Bot na lang to. Wala na, bot na lang to, guys. Wala, bot na lang to. Biglang magkakamatayan yan, tapos isa na lang natira. Gusto nyo ng attachment? Yun lang. Paano pag ayoko? Ay! Only two teams left. Then we are 3 players. They're gonna kill each other. What's? It's all about prediction and calculating mathematics. What's this here? 2 teams left. Because this is a motherfucking bot. It gonna appear in a random places. This is predicted. I think the enemy is over there. But I survey that area again and again. What? The bot is not hiding. So he's over there. Or he gonna die on the zone. Guys, the bot didn't win in the BR mode. So I will give you the win. Kill me, bot. Call of Duty Mobile, I will give you the win because you're a piece of a shit. Don't do that to me again. You want DP attachment, everybody? Attachment reveal in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the fastest loadout reveal. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay guys, don't forget to like and share the stream, guys.